I'm building an app called Paytrace, and in this series of videos, I am going to share complete process of developing an app and launching it to the Play Store. In this video, I will be sharing complete planning phase of app. How will the app collect users' data and make editable for users and use their data accordingly. So what Paytrace does? So Paytrace is an expense tracker which help users to track their expenses by weekly, monthly or daily. It shows users expenses by categorizing them into various categories. It also allows user to create their custom categories not added now will be in version 2 of the app. So basically we are going to do is create a basic app where user can provide their data by manually adding expenses or sharing their Google transaction details to our app. So our app will be taking that image and completely scanning and extracting the information that will be required to store for the transaction adding. And I will be showing you what I have planned for building this app. So let's get into it. So here we are going to design the complete Paytrace system flow, or we can call it system design. So here we will be app, and the user will be authenticate by using the Firebase auth. So when user enters the app, user will be authenticated by Firebase. So after Firebase authentication is done, the user will completely use our app, and all the data will be stored in SQLite. No data will be shared with the any third party services. Main part of app is to completely stores the user data privately on their own devices. So if I open the Paytrace, I will be logging with the Firebase, and my after logging in, all the database which I entered, like my expenses of traveling and my expenses of monthly budgeting, will be stored on my locally device and will not be able to share to any other services. So SQLite is the option where all the database will be stored on physical and on their users on devices for performing adding new transaction. Another one we can update, and also we can edit the transaction. So this is a basic system flow for the version 1 of this app. In the second version we will be adding new features. For version 1 we have some numbers of categories which are limited to the users, like transportation and all others, which are totally 8 categories for now, but in future we will add more than 8 categories, and user can create based on their requirements. Like if users uh, gives gift to more people in a single month, he can create a category called gift, and he can track the all expenses of gift in one categories. So this can help user to organize their expenses based on the categorization. So this is the basic system flow. Till now we have this basic structure which also provide user privacy, which is the first part, and second, categorizing the data, which help user to understand clearly how many expense does he perform on a particular category. We'll be using Expo for development app, which we will use for both Android and iOS. And for database using same SQLite, and Firebase will be normally used for authenticating the user. So no data will be send out of the device, all data will be stored in the user devices.